Hello, I'm Lee from the Student Life Office, and I'm going to introduce you to the ASDVC check request form. Start off at the DVC website, their main homepage, found at dvc.edu. You want to go to the sidebar down here for current student. So you're going to click on that. That will bring you to a list of student services offices. We are the Student Life Office, so click on that. And we've loaded all of our forms and documents onto a forms page. So on the sidebar there for the Student Life Office, click on Forms, and that brings you to a list of all our forms and documents. ASDV check request. This is a fill-inable PDF form, so go ahead and click on that, and here we have the complete form. You're going to start off by deciding if you want this, if this check request is for cash advance or authorization for payment. In addition, whether once the check is cut, you want the check mailed to you or if you want to pick it up. In either circumstance, please complete the phone number. This is very important so that we can contact you if we have any questions regarding your backup documentation or the check request form itself. You want to complete the date and then tab over to the amount. We're going to say this is $100. You want to complete the payee's name. And this is always going to be the person that either, if it's a reimbursement, paid for the supplies, or the direct pay person that will be receiving the check. If it's a student, we require the student ID, which is a 7-digit ID number. And we also require an email address. For students, it's going to be your Insight email. If this is for a non-student, you're going to need to give us a tax ID number, which is also known as a W-9 form. The W-9 form can be obtained online on our forms page also. And if you're not sure about the W-9 form, you can always contact the Student Life Office. We'll make sure that we can email it to you to supply or directly to the person. You want to include a complete address for the payee. You don't need to worry about inputting the GL information or the amount. I will obtain that information from the actual minutes that you supply. What is also very important is to include information on the remarks section about what this was for. Say it's your club, and your club is the PBL club, and the PBL club asked ASDVC or ICC to pay something for them. So you're going to still put PBL club. You're going to put the event name. Let's say it's a spring conference. And the date of the conference was April 29th or 19th. And that's the event, the club name, the event. Now as far as the allocation, ASDVC and ICC allocated funding for this. ICC approved allocation of $1,000 during their meeting on 4/1 And this is the board meeting. And ASDVC approved up to $500 during the 4/7 board meeting. You're also going to attach the budget that was presented to both ICC and ASDVC. Once you have that section completed, you're going to have your advisor review all of the backup documentation as well as the check request and sign it. And you're going to have a student representative, normally the treasurer or secretary or president, one of the officers of the club. And then you will present this with its backup documentation to the Student Life office. Please also be aware that backup documentation that's required are minutes, club minutes, as well as budget and original receipt. And if you have any questions, please contact the Student Life office. We'll be happy to help you out.